In this video, you'll learn how to get your money back from eBay after falling victim to a scam. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to resolve the issue effectively. Begin by signing into your eBay account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the purchase history section. This area displays all your recent transactions. Locate the specific order that you suspect is part of the scam. Click on the transaction to open the details. Here you should carefully review the seller's information, the item description, and the delivery status. Understanding these details is crucial as it helps you determine if the item was not received or if it does not match the description. These factors are important because they may qualify you for eBay's money-back guarantee, which assists buyers in resolving such issues. Next, you will need to open a return or an item not received case. From the order page, look for the option labeled Return this item or Report a problem. Select the reason that best describes your issue, such as item not received or item not as described. It is important to provide clear and concise details about the situation. If applicable, include any relevant photos that can support your claim. After submitting this request, eBay will notify the seller and allow them some time to respond. This communication between you and the seller could potentially resolve the problem quickly without further escalation. If you find that the seller does not respond or refuses to address the issue, you have the option to request eBay to step in to do this. Go back to your case in the resolution center. eBay will review the details of your transaction as well as the evidence you provided. They will evaluate the situation carefully. If your claim is deemed valid, eBay may issue a refund directly to your original payment method. Keep in mind that this process can take a few days depending on the complexity of the case. While waiting for a resolution, it is advisable to monitor your case status in the resolution center. This area will provide you with updates regarding the progress of your claim. Regularly checking this status ensures you remain informed about any developments or required actions on your part. It is essential to stay proactive during this time to facilitate a smooth resolution process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.